There's 2 flat tires, right on. All right. When did we roll this Jeep? In July? Still sitting in the same spot we left it like 4 months ago. It's been flooded a couple times. Don't know how high.
Animals been living in it.
Animals, Jimmy's cousins, everybody. Windshield's gone, the freaking windows are out of it, the interior's trashed. But it should start.
It won't turn.
You guys turn the wheel a little bit, shake the wheel.
It won't turn.
Well, we'll have to figure it. I didn't bring any tools, did I? We might have to run back up to the house, grab some tools. But we got the generator, we got a battery charger, air compressor, ATF. All of it leaked out when we rolled it. So, I guess we gotta go get tools.
Let's pop the hood and get the bitch charging.
How do you pop it? It's probably rusted shut.
Ow, fuck!
There we go. Probably gonna get blown up at some point.
What is?
This. It's got headers and everything.
God damn it.
They hurt you?
Yeah.
All right, let's hook up the generator and then we can go get some tools. Isn't that cool?
It tracks your ass?
Yeah, now walk back over side by side.
How'd you learn all this shit?
Isn't that dope?
That is fucking cool.
Yeah. That is.
Why is it following me?
Why not? Help me out.
Now it goes where I go.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
That's not even tight.
Is it? Let me get the tools back here. There you go. It's got power now.
I don't know.
Let's go get some tools.
I'll look at the video.
Can't get the freaking key to turn. I don't know if it's from rust or what, but we're gonna try to go with some tools, get some WD-40 and get this thing loose. We're running the generator right now with the air compressor and the battery charger, so get the tires aired up, get the battery charged, and get this thing started, but let's go. Oh shit. Look at the windshield wipers, do that again. Oh shit. It started to go down. Holy shit. What the fuck's going on? That thing's nice. I love it. Don't even have to do anything. It just follows Jimmy.
Really? Yeah, I don't know why it follows me.
I don't think it will follow you anymore. Oh yeah, it will. There you go. I don't have to do anything.
Figure that thing out. Figure that thing out.
I got the clothes.
I know.
Huh?
What? You want to load that up now? or-
Alright, Jimmy, tell us what you did first.
What?
Tell us what you did.
I just hit it with a stick.
Turned the key, then what did you do? Add ATF?
ATF.
Smoke like a whore.
For some reason, the cruise control was stuck up on. So
Yeah.
it was revving real high.
So,
There she goes.
alright.
For 250 you can have it. Stuff we can strap up.
What the hell happened this time? Oh, it's locked now.
Wrap the seatbelt somehow through it. And
Bandit.
no, I'll just latch it right here.
I know, but if you let go of this, it'll retract. Kind of. That'll do. That's all the slack we
Tie it
got.
like right there.
The hoop in there. And it should stay.
Okay,
That'll do.
that'll do, donkey.
Brakes do work. No, you're only spinning one.
About the front on that side.
Nuh-uh.
Two-wheel drive.
I took the body through it all. Yeah. One more time. Dude, it didn't even hurt the Jeep at all. Hit it again.
Where at, Fender?
Yeah, fender well.
That's how it works.
'Cause Do it again. Oh my god. On the corner, yeah. Hey, right at this angle. Ha! Jesus. One more go. One more hit.
About made it to the grill that time.
Yeah.
About.
I think you ruined the core support. Now you can't get out. Dude, no damage to the Jeep. No damage to it. Just to hit the bumper of the grill a little bit right there.
Oh yeah, it sticks out farther than what I thought.
Dude, look what you did to the S10. Jimmy, you're a destructive guy.
Yeah, Wreck-It Ralph.
Wreck-It Ralph. You kind of look like him.
Dog dish hubcaps. Ow, shit. Yeah, let's go put oil in when we do that trail.
Alright. Dude, you just T-boned this thing. Dude, you just killed a wife and kids.
This bitch is total, dude. Now we got pulled back out.
Yeah.
You don't have a helmet.
It'd be funny if you hit it with some speed. God, stinks, dude. Oh shit.
Pegged at 260. Water leak.
Does it? Yep. Where'd you get a fork? Jimmy's always got a fork on hand. 260.
That bitch got water leak.
A lot of coolant probably dumped out when we flipped it. And we better get going on the shoot and shit. I can hook this thing to the battery charger for right now until we get back.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, fuck. Wonder why it didn't blow up.
I don't know.
Maybe we aren't bad at shooting.
Just light it with a lighter.
I thought we just weren't hitting it. Wonder why it didn't blow up. So we just leave it here.
Well, it's kind of on the top of it. Of the pellets.
Yeah, I must have hit a little lower.
There's a bunch of freaking holes in the door now. Whatever. That's okay.
Now it's ruined.
Fuck. We'll get her next time.